everyone, welcome back. So today Jay and I are starting to do some plumbing planning. How exciting is that? For the upstairs bathroom, and trying to figure out where all the pipes are going to go and get working on that. So exciting things today.
I drilled a hole right there where that, see the bit sticking out?
I see something sticking out, yeah.
Yeah, that's,
Oh yeah, right there, okay.
that's where the center of the hole is for your toilet.
Is that going to be an issue with, I guess that's not the regular floor joist.
Right, now I can move this over. I
Okay.
put these all in just to stiffen up the floor.
Right, okay, yeah.
So I can move that over.
So if we can't have it right in the middle, maybe we should push it on this side and just not have this thing that I was thinking. Because I want to be able to put my appliances here. Like
Inside here, on this side.
on the pantry side.
So you. Otherwise you'd rather go on this side with the pipe.
Yeah, if I was
Not
going to
bother
lose one of
having
them, I'd probably rather lose this one.
Okay,
Or if we put it like as close to the floor joist as we can, and then just maybe instead of having this one being like the little broom closet, maybe just make this into a little broom closet. Because it would be,
okay,
if the pipes were like going to here
yeah.
or whatever, here.
That way, yeah, I'd give you
And we would
that.
have this space.
It'd be a little narrower but deeper.
Right. So the shower is also it's going to go over and go down that same
Yes.
area. Okay, good. Okay, we have a beautiful new floor in the bathroom upstairs, all level and sturdy. Question to my viewers. Do you have any feelings, strong or otherwise, about where the drain should be in the shower? Because we were talking about either you can buy the systems or whatever, so the drain is either in the middle or on like the one side. So, any thoughts? I think the middle sounds fine.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think that's probably what I would do. Now, there's two different drains. They got what we call P-traps and S-traps.
Mm-hmm.
P-traps,
It's for the toilet.
no, this is for the sink.
Kidding.
Okay, I was just saying that. Okay. But P-trap goes into the wall and the drain goes down through there.
Okay.
S-trap goes through, is right here and it goes down through the floor.
Is that like for two different kinds of toilets?
No, this is
Or you have them
sink,
both for the same?
sink,
Okay.
sink, yeah.
So we need both of those.
No, we don't need both.
You pick
It's
one.
just, probably, there's the best one, I guess, is the P-trap. That's what the most people use anymore.
Okay.
But being that I got this right here, going through the floor, but easier.
Okay. Whatever you think is better.
Whatever you think. I don't. Does it matter to you?
I literally have hearing about it for the first time right now. So whatever you think is best. Okay, we've got our bag of goodies and our 10-foot pipe. We're ready to take the next steps. This is where my toilet is going to be. Doesn't get more exciting than this. Oh. So that's where the toilet's going to be. So in case it was not clear, so original plan was to take the plumbing and bring it over and bring it down like the same place as the chimney, but we aren't able to do that because of the way things are. So what we're gonna have to do is, I really wanted to keep in the pantry, you know how there's this appliance cubby right here, so that's where I'm gonna put like my mixer and my Instant Pot, stuff like that, stacked up in the pantry. But we're gonna have to put the plumbing for the bathroom down on the other side of that. So I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna do. We might still have some storage space here, but we probably won't have the original plan that we had with the drawers and then the little counter and the shelves and stuff like that. But that is okay. Sometimes you have to change your plans to make things work. Okay, so basically this pipe is just what all bathroom things are, all this pipe basically. And it's like, this is the smaller one, then you use the bigger ones to do the,
Yeah,
and then
they just fit inside of these.
I'm guessing you cement, that's what the cement is?
Yes.
So that nothing comes out?
Right.
Okay.
I'll show you what you do. You clean them first with a cleaner,
Uh-huh.
and then you put the cement on and you push them together.
Okay.
Hold them for a couple of seconds, because sometimes I have them backed out. So
Right.
just hold them a little bit, and they'll...
So it's basically just like a jigsaw puzzle to get where you need to go.
Yes. But we aren't going to glue them until we get everything fit.
Right.
Yeah. Sure, this will work good. Still might not be enough. Let me see.
So the water that's going into all three of these things is going to come like in a totally different run of pipes, right?
Yes.
Yes. So
Yeah.
this is just all the stuff going out, and
This
then
is
after we'll do all the stuff
yeah.
going in.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it also 3 inches or is it less?
No, almost. Just
It's like a little thing. Okay.
Pecs, we use pecs on that.
Okay. Is that what is that?
It's kind of it's plastic. It's like a plastic. It bends
Oh,
easy.
okay. Yeah, I know what you mean. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to go ahead and drill this hole and slide that pipe in.
Right, and
Sure
see.
it's going to fit.
Right. Because it can it go like kind of crooked like, or it has to go?
Yeah, this won't matter too much here, I guess, because I can, adjust it a little bit to make it fit. I think
Right.
it'll be. I think that's going to be all right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to cut some off it. Wanted to keep it as long as I could for down there, but
Right.
I'll have to cut some off. Give that a go.
What if you went in? It still probably wouldn't work. If you went in like this way and came down,
Which way?
like going in this way,
You try it.
it probably still won't work. But maybe you can't even get in this way because of. Or swing it around and then go in like that.
This, let's see.
If
Lift
you
it up.
lift it up, yeah, maybe. Oh, almost. So close.
Just take off. We just take off a couple inches.
Yeah, then it should go.
It might go.
Maybe.
Try it.
It's so close though. It looks like it. But it might be hitting something down there too. No, it's just that.
Yeah. Okay. Look at that. You know exactly what you're doing.
I certainly do not.
That'll work, I think. Let me take a look. Just see how. I ain't too far off on plumb either. A little bit, but not much. That's pretty good. Now we're gonna have to get an 1.5-inch pipe. We'll have to come out of that. I'm trying to think if I should use a 45 or a 90. And go back.
To the middle for the drain?
Yeah. So we'll have to get some 1.5-inch pipe. And I think if we do a 45, it'll bring us probably close to that. And then we're going to have to get a trap for over here.
Okay. Like a trap for hair and stuff?
No, it's a U-shaped thing.
Uh-huh.
It keeps gases from going back up and coming out your.
Okay.
You know.
I'll tell you, whatever I get for a drain, something that's good for catching hair, because I lose a lot of hair. And back to the store we go.
Probably end up with getting some valves.
So how do we know that that it's going to drain from the shower? Like, how does it go? Because it's not like downhill.
Oh, it's going to be uphill higher.
Okay.
I'm going to have to take a little bit out of that piece there so I can get it just a little bit higher than that.
Okay, so it will be kind of
So
just
it'll be a little
gravity
down.
falling downhill. Okay.
Downhill. And that way, this here will be above my sheetrock too. It's real close.
Right.
Yeah. I have to drop it in from upstairs.
Let me go drop it.
Sure.
Look at that. So it's the sink. Whoop, can't see it. So that's coming down from the sink, the vanity. This is the drain. And then that's the toilet coming down. And then that's the shower drain over there, which you can't see. Right here. And it all comes into this big pipe. And then it's going to go down to the septic, I think.
Sure, right?
Yeah.
Just let that sit down. Take my knife. I'll show you. Just take it and go around the inside a little bit. Or you can go like this if you want. And do the outside as well. Just kind of clean them up like that.
Okay. So just make it so it's not sharp.
Yeah.
Okay. On just the small pipes?
What do you mean? This,
Like not these ones?
no, yeah, just the ones that I cut.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, I did that one. So
Okay.
I mean, you do the other end of that one.
Right. But like it just needs to be like that much.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's enough to get the burr off it.
Okay. Oh boy. Hi. Hope I'm doing this well. Well, we've got the bathroom plumbing started.
Upstairs?
Yep. Yeah. Is this the kind of piping that you use and stuff? Is this like the same as what you use in Germany?
Beautiful.
Same thing.
They're just grey usually.
Mm.
The tubes, but it's the same stuff. So you learn a new skill.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. But-
When you're done, you know everything, but you don't need it anymore.
exactly.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna hire her.
Yeah.
She's gonna work for me.
I did that. I know a little bit of everything now, but not much of anything.
That sounds like me.
Yeah, but you must see the more stuff you do like this, the more skills you get in general
Right.
for crafting, because you get a feeling for how to handle the tools,
Right. Yeah, it's true.
forces, and all that stuff.
Yeah, it is true. And I know more about how things are built. Come on.
You have to kind of work them back and forth.
There we go. No, I didn't realize that you were gluing them.
Yeah. Can't smell that?
Yeah, I can, but I wasn't paying attention.
And what they do is they have a cleaner.
Uh-huh.
Just run that cleaner around it.
So where does your wastewater go then, actually? Is it connected to a...
Septic system, which is like where the stuff goes underground.
It's just like a...
I don't know what it is. It's like a box, and then it goes into a different thing, and it.
Ah, oh, I see.
Goes into the box.
It's like a big cement.
And they got a field, drain field.
The water goes somewhere, and then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know that, yeah, I know what it is.
Is that what you do? Is that what you have?
Some in the rural area have that, yeah.
So guys, I wanted to introduce you. Sorry for being rude. We're talking and not introducing you, but this is my friend Chris, who is here from Germany for a few weeks to see America the Beautiful. So welcome to Chris. He's just checking out things here at the house, and yeah, exciting stuff. Okay, yay. So the drain piping for the bathroom upstairs is basically done-ish, roughed in, I guess. So that's very exciting. We just have to figure out how long things are going to be, and I mean, there are still things to do, but we've got a lot done and we made a lot of progress, so that is very exciting. Next up, I believe we are going to be working on the water pipes. So this is for the waste stuff, and then the water pipes are going to be the water, fresh, clean water, obviously. So that's coming up next. Be sure to stay tuned. Lots of exciting things happening here. I will see you guys next time, and I hope you have a fantastic day.